Question 20 refers to this table in the paragraph above. We'll read the question first to see what we have to know. So the table includes data for 6 World Series that were played after the 1994 strike. So I'm just going to make a line here because I know there's going to be a division there. In these series, a total of 34 games were played. How many of these games did the American League team win? Okay, so if we look up here, all that the table tells us is who won in what year and how many games they played. We're looking for how many games the American League won, and that's really difficult for us to tell just by looking at this chart. So we're going to have to read a little bit to find out what all this means and how to find the information that will get us to the answer. So it tells us that the American League champions play the National League champions. The first team to win 4 games wins the series. So any winner of the series will have had to have won 4 games. The table below gives the year of the series, and on and on and on. Okay, so the important thing here is that the first team to win 4 games wins the series. So let's look at 95. So the National League won, right? So we know that the National League won 4 games, and since 6 games were played, then that means the American League must have won 2 of them. And again, we're looking for the American League, so this 2 is the number that we're interested in. If we skip to 96, American League team won, so that means that they must have scored 4. In 97, the National team won, so the National had 4, so that means American had 2. And then the next 3 years, in 98, 99, and 2000, the American League won. So in each of those, they had won 4 games in order to win the series. So then we find the sum of all of these. So 4 times 4 is 16, plus another 4 gives us 20. And that's just quick mental math shortcuts. I see 4 4s, right? So I do 4 times 4, and then I add up these other 2's. So 16 plus 2 gives me 20. So we will go with G20.